Hi everyone, so today I will unbox a new microphone. I ordered a new microphone because I want to improve quality of my videos, and the sound is one of the most important part of this process. So I ordered a RØDE Lavalier GO microphone. Actually I choose between two. I compared Sony ECM LV1 and RØDE Lavalier GO, and the price difference is around $20 between them. And Sony has very nice sound recording, but I'm going to buy in the future RODE Wireless GO 2 system, and it will be just better to connect RØDE Lavalier GO with wireless system in the future, so I decided to order microphone from RØDE manufacturer. So let's open it and see what is inside. So this is microphone and this is adapter, and yeah, let's start from microphone and I explain adapter a bit later. So let's see, it has such a box, and yeah, let's open it and see what is inside. Okay. Okay, I'll just open it. So, except the box, we have instruction. It's, I think, start guide, quick start guide, regulatory and safety guide. Okay, and the microphone itself. Yeah, it has a special, I think it's a special gel for humidity control. So inside the nice holder, what we have, you have such a holder for it. Yeah, very soft. You have a microphone itself. It's very tiny. I don't know. Let's see the size. I'm just curious what's the size of it. So the size of microphone is like around one centimeter. You see? Yeah, it's quite small one. I just thought it will be bigger for some reason, but very tiny. And let's measure the length of the microphone itself. With the connector. And yeah, the complete length is 1 meter 25 centimeters. Yeah, 1 meter 25 centimeters. And yeah, it has a small tiny connector. So I believe you can put it somehow like this. Inside it. I'm just curious. Yeah, so I believe you can put it inside this connection. Let's see the guide. Start guide. Does it have any instructions? Yeah, it has instruction. So you need to remove this one. So you remove this one. You put it like this. Okay. And then you put it on top. Like this. Okay. Now it's good to go. So yeah. And yeah, about SC4 adapter, it's TRS to TRS adapter, and actually you need it for this kind of microphone because yeah, it will not work with your mobile phone or with your computer. You see, this connection has a 4 inputs here, and this has just 3. So yeah, you need it for mobile phone and for computer. I believe if you will use it, I will use it with my GoPro 8 and with GoPro adapter. It's not needed there, this adapter for GoPro. It will work without it, but without action camera you need it. So I think with RØDE with Wireless GO 2 you also don't need adapter, but for phone or computer you need it. And about the prices, the microphone itself cost around $70, and the prices of adapter is around $10 or $8 or $9, I think. Yeah, I decided to order a original one just to have a nice quality. So yeah, basically this is it. If you have any questions, please ask, put your question inside the comments, and I will appreciate your likes and subscribe to not miss further unboxings. Thank you for watching the video.